Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing great out there. I want to update you with what we got coming along this week, but first let me say I hope you're getting outside. It looks like spring may finally be here, but it doesn't mean we're done with school yet, so I still have some more tasks for you. So let's get to what we're doing this week. First of all, we're going to work on that new news quiz format with the 11 multiple choice questions. That's coming at you again. It seemed to go really well for people last week, so I want to stick with it, but I welcome your comments about what you like better, the old podcast format where you chose the days that you wanted to do, or this one big quiz where you've got to do some research. Let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback as I'm thinking about trying to incorporate it into our classes for next year and want to know what's the best route to go. So that's your first task. Second, we're going to continue with that civic action project. So you came up with some questions on your topic about what you need to find out in order to be able to make a decision. This week, you got to research it. Find out some answers. Make sure you keep track of your sources. Make sure they're good ones. But find out those answers. I want 10 pieces of evidence total. So it could be mix and match between all your questions in any sort of various ways. But I want 10 pieces of evidence total to tell me how you're going to help answer your question. What information did you find that helps you reach a conclusion as to what should be done to answer the question you've posed? So that's part 2. That's the Civic Action Project Researching Your Questions assignment. Lastly, we're going to do something different. We're not going to collect any artifacts or do a diary, but there's some big events here in Maine this week. Governor Mills unveiled her plan for reopening the state, and there's been a wide array of reactions since then. Some people in support of it, and some people not so much. And for good reason. I think if we take a look at it, Maine, we're doing pretty well in terms of coronavirus cases. Per capita, per person, we're really pretty low compared to a lot of the other states in the area. So that looks good, but the question is why? Is it because we just don't have coronavirus here in Maine, so nobody's got it? Or is it because people are taking the actions needed to prevent it from spreading? I'm not sure, as I cough at you guys. I'm not sure, so that's going to be up to you to decide a little bit. But I want you to research Governor Mills' plan. She's got a series of dates that she's opening things up. So find out what's going to open up on each of a few dates, and then start marking that her plan up. Mark that sheet up that I've given you on Governor Mills' plan, and tell me what would you move around, if anything. Maybe you agree with it. Maybe you think, hey, this is logical. I like the way it is. Or maybe some things need to get moved around, and explain why you're moving those items around. If you like your plan, why do you like the way things are? So make sure you include that in there as well. So research your plan, tell me what you think should be moved or what shouldn't and why. Those are your tasks for this week. Hope you guys get outside more. Looks like we've got a great week ahead of us, so get that work done right away, get it turned in, and go enjoy all this beautiful weather out here. Miss you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Bye.